Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach next part in tense, future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous affirmative structure: subject will have been, shall have been, ing form of verb, since and for, an object. This is structure of future perfect continuous affirmative. Example: they will, have been running since morning. Uses of since of are we have discussed in present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and again I am going to tell you uses of since and for. Since it can be used for point of time, means definite time, and for it can be used for period of time, means indefinite time. Next we are moving towards negative sentence. Negative sentence structure in negative sentence, you can see subject plus will, shall plus not plus have been plus ing form, since and for plus object. Example: you will not have been reading for 2 hours. So that is a negative. This is the structure, and this is example of negative. Again we are moving towards interrogative. Interrogative sentence. In every tenses you will get two types of interrogative. Interrogative. First one, question word comes before sentence, means question word plus will, shall plus subject have been plus ing form of verb plus since, for, an object plus question mark. So this is the structure of first word. Example: why shall I have been closing the field since morning. So that is a structure of first one, first interrogative. This is an example. Second type interrogative, when helping verb comes before sentence. Helping verb. Sentence start from helping verb. Structure: will shall plus subject have been ing form of verb plus since and for plus object and question mark. So this is a second type interrogative. Example: will they have been reading this newspaper since evening. So this is interrogative, second interrogative. So overall we had discussed entire informations related to tenses: present indefinite to present perfect continuous tense, past indefinite to past perfect continuous tense, and future indefinite to future perfect continuous tense. So these were in various part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5 and part 6. So these were the informations related future perfect continuous. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share it. Thank you very much.